You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this Turkish football player, as well as how to say more interesting but often confusing names from football that many mispronounce, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel if you enjoy learning. I know some pretend or say it is to be pronounced as American. No, in Turkish it is said as Emre Can, Emre Can. And now you know more videos here on how to pronounce more interesting names from football that many get wrong. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounce. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.